Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to sell your domain name on Hostinger. First, open Chrome on your computer and search for Hostinger. Click on the official Hostinger website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the domain section from the main menu. Here you'll see all your registered domains. On the left panel under the domain section, click on Domain Portfolio. This will bring you to where your domains are. Click on Manage next to the domain you want to sell. In here, disable Transfer Lock, then click on Authorization Code to make it visible because you need to share this with the new owner of the domain, and this is also needed to complete the transfer process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and confirm your listing, and that's it. You've successfully listed your domain name for sale on Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.